Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Okay, I want to show y'all my lights I got today. Here's the box they came in. See what I mean by a small box? It's kind of little. But boy, y'all, they have packaged these beautifully. Really, they have. I've unwrapped. Here's the base of them. And they go on the wall like this. It's got little screws right here on each side. You screw them in the wall. Okay? Then here's this lamp thingy, this shade. I'm gonna call it a shade. Look how pretty that is. Okay, that sets right down in here. Pushes right down in there. And then this is the solar panel, the top. Now the top is angled, and so you place this wherever the sun is going to hit it nicely. So if you're, let's say the back door faces south, but I have an overhang. So this is supposed to, I'm going to have to do it, I'm not sure. I'm going to wait till this afternoon when the sun comes out to see which way I'm going to turn this. But this fits down on this. So whichever way the sun's going to hit it is the way I need to turn this top. Looks funny, doesn't it? But this is what it looks like. And they're a lot bigger than what I thought they were. Here's the panel. And we're going to install this. Yes, we are. Well, we're going to attempt to install this. Let's go do it. Okay, what we're going to do is install our solar lights. Now, I have already fixed this one up here, sort of. It's up there. But my little screw gun I bought, this was the one that Amazon had a special deal on, and if you buy it, they donate proceeds to breast cancer awareness. And that's why I got it, but it doesn't have enough power to go through the siding on this 1941 house. Not strong enough. So I just happen to have an electric. That's got some power to it. Okay, here we go. We're going to put these screws in. Pardon my behind. Just want to tighten them up. Whew, I don't like ladders. You know I don't. Nope. Right, here's the lamp. Here's the top, and I'm not quite sure which way to turn it yet. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and set it up there, and then later on this afternoon, when I know the angle of the sun, then I can turn this whole thing around. So let's get this up there, and I'm going to turn it in this direction for now. Probably sweating like a pig up here. Right. voila. Looks pretty good. I'm kind of excited about that. All I have to do is install the next one right over here. Thanks for watching. So there's the finished product. They look from this distance, honestly, a lot smaller than they are. Oh, look, 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 y'all. There's one of my little toads that lives up under the... Well, I get distracted so easy. Anyway, that's what they look like. I can't wait to see what happens if I get any sun on them at all. I don't know. I may not, because there it is up there. Of course, it's not noon yet either. So I may get some of this evening sun over here. I hope so. Anyway, that's the way they look. And they were pretty easy to put up.